Hi everyone, I am going to talk about 50300 rule. The 50300 rule, often applied to personal finance, is a budgeting guideline that suggests dividing after-tax income into three main categories. 1. 50% for needs. Half of the income goes toward essential expenses like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. These are unavoidable costs crucial to maintaining basic living standards. 2.30% for wants. 30% is reserved for discretionary spending, such as entertainment, dining out, hobbies, vacations, and non-essential purchases. This category covers things that enhance lifestyle but aren't strictly necessary. 3. 20% for savings and investments. The remaining 20% is allocated for financial goals like savings, debt repayment beyond the minimum, and investments. This might include contributions to retirement accounts, stock market investments, or emergency funds. While the 50300 rule isn't specific to investing, it can help people allocate funds to start investing in the stock market. For instance, the 20% of savings and investments portion could be directed toward shares or other financial assets, encouraging long-term wealth building within a balanced budgeting framework.